computer. Okay, so what is the deal for the day? The deal for the day is our $1 million home of the day. And I've been starting to do this on a semi-regular basis. I'm not that consistent yet, but I'm getting there. Now, speaking of time, my issue is, so I got up, I worked out. You know, I come home, I have to get ready for the show. I've got to do the stats. And then I have to find $1 million home. So I do all this, you know, before the show. And I have not taken the time to perfect this, the system of how I want to maybe take this video and maybe add something to it. Maybe some arrows, or maybe some stars, or maybe some, oh, here's a bonus, and then have a, you know, the bonus guy come out. So there's a lot of things you can do with these little videos. Now this is a 3-minute video. The first time I took it, my microphone didn't work very well, so I took it twice. And I did all this before 9 o'clock this morning. So if I can do it, you can do it. Anyway, I just want to keep doing it till I get better. And I haven't gotten much better lately. Actually, the last 4 I've done have been kind of the same, been kind of scattered. I pick out the MLS that I want to, the most expensive home that was listed yesterday. And I look at the remarks. And you know, the marks should really walk you through the home. And that I think we all need to get better at. We need to walk people through the home in the remarks, because that's what's on Zillow. Those remarks are what show up on Zillow. And so it's very, very important that you show those. Also, when you're doing this, you need to mention, or at least have on the screen like I do, you know, that Kristen Routh Sieberman is the listing agent with the Corcoran Global Living Group. So you need to mention that, or at least show it on the screen. That's the compliance issues that we have to follow. Even though we're doing a Zillow, like a Zillow presentation here, I still think you need to mention the listing agent. And then you can also, though, if you'll see what I say at the end, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so let's listen to it. In the beautiful Anthem Country Club. This $1 million home sells for $4,950,000. It is a Santa Barbara style smart 1-story with a double fairway view. It's been fully renovated, and it has 7,705 square feet of total livable. 6,700 of that livable is indoors, and 1,000 square feet of that is outdoors. So they have brought the indoors outdoors, or the outdoors indoors. It has 4 bedrooms, an office, 6 bathrooms. It sits on a half an acre. Look at this beautiful, beautiful acreage there. And there you can see the fairway, how beautiful the view is from there. This home has a movie theater. It has billiard room. It has a wet bar with pocket doors and windows, wine chillers, entertainers, kitchen. It has a with custom white cabinets. That's the rage today. And it has a Wolf Subzero. It has a walk-in pantry, a breakfast nook, a butler's pantry, and an oversized primary bedroom. Let's scooch down to where that is. Here we go, everybody. Down there it is. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look, and there's the movie theater room. And here you have this beautiful, beautiful primary bedroom, and they even have champagne on there with candles, just to give you some ambiance ideas. There's built-in closets. Look at how beautiful and large they are. This is the office, secondary bedrooms. There looks like their workout room, huge laundry room. Oh my gosh, look at all that wonderful storage. That is fantastic for those things you don't want to put in the garage, because you need them, you use them. And here's part of the lovely outdoors, and you can see they've got the doors open into the outside, and the outside into the inside, which is just lovely. The pool is a designer pool, absolutely beautiful. And look at the view from there. It's Anthem Country Club is a guard-gated community, has a championship golf course, tennis, pickleball, the new rage, a swimming pool, a fitness center. It has dining and dining areas, and it has walking trails. It's minutes from your beautiful Henderson with all the shopping. Has 5-star restaurants close by. The schools are top rated, and Nevada is a state without individual and corporate income taxes, offering significant savings for all the residents. Whether you own your own business or not, Las Vegas tax structure is the best in the country, and our property taxes are the lowest in the top 10 of the country. So if you would love to see this home, please contact me. My information is below. Thank you all, and have a wonderful day. Is below. Thank you all, and have a wonderful day. Okay, so make sure everything's cool. So that took all of 3 minutes, and yeah, it wasn't polished. It wasn't. It was just off the cuff, and that's because I'm reading from the remarks. And again, please make your remarks a story, and make your remarks what people see on Zillow. Now, for some reason, this particular listing doesn't have the Zillow remarks from the MLS. So I'm not so sure how she structured her listing. Let's see here. No, she's got yes on the internet, yes on the address, yes on the commentary. So I'm not really sure why Zillow didn't show the remarks. Again, it has just come on the market, so I can scooch over here and see how long it's been there. It says, it doesn't even say that. Interesting. So I'm not real sure why it has not said that. And it doesn't say how many people have viewed it. So I think that there's perhaps something that Zillow isn't doing for this one. I don't know why. I don't know. It's a mystery to me. So I just looked and I couldn't figure it out.